All right, so that's inserting. It's relatively straightforward. We're usually not going to add any logic in here. We're just inserting data straight up. Next, we have updating existing rows. And this can be a little more complex because we can narrow down specific rows that we want to update. We're usually not going to update every single book, but we could if we just ran update books and then set some column equal to something. I could make every book, let's say I want to make every book free. I could do update, and then the next piece of syntax is the table, and then set, and then some field or column. So update books, set price equals 0. And here we go. Now let's do a select price from books. Every single price is 0. So usually we don't want to do that. Maybe there's a situation where you want to mass update every single row, but most often we will specify where we want to update. Let's live out my fantasy where I actually wrote all the Harry Potter books. So what I could do is update all the books where author is J.K. Rowling. So update books, set author to now be Colt Steele, but I only want to do it where author is currently J space K space Rowling, like that. And it tells us here, updated 7. Earlier, when I ran the mass update, we got 47. Now, if I select, let's just do ID and title from books. I guess we can just do all of them, and eventually I'll find those ones. Oh, you know what? I need to print out author as well. So ID, title, author from books. Eventually, we'll see the books that I wrote that used to be written by J.K. Rowling. So here we go. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. All of those books are now written by me. So we can also add on other operators. So things like, I want to update books. How about we update the author to be Colt Steele also, where currently ID is in 1, 3, or 5. And now if I select all of my books, let's just do where ID is in 1, 3, and 5 as well. We can see they've all been written by me. I guess I'm a bit selfish here, but it's a simple update to make, changing the author. And that's kind of it to doing updates. So you can update everything. We use the keyword update and then set. And then we also can get more specific on what we update, which we usually do. Often we'll be updating something based off of an ID. So in Flask, we'll have some URL like /comments/20. And we'll use that ID, the 20, to update some comment in our database. So we'll make sure we're only updating where ID equals 20, and then we'll do something depending on what a user entered into the update form. And that's update. Next up, we have one last basic CRUD operation, delete.